Good morning. Today I am going to tell you more about the number system. Now any number can be represented in decimal form. Okay? Na? So we can write here any decimal number, either terminating decimal or non-terminating decimal. Now first, what is a terminating decimal? So if you divide any number by any divisor, then after subdecimal digit, remainder becomes 0. If after certain steps, remainder will be 0, then that decimal representation is called terminating decimal number. Suppose 2 divided by 5. 2 divided by 5 represent in decimal form. So we can divide 2 by 5. What will be? Taking point, we get 0. 5 4 the 20. What will be? Remainder will 0. It means 2 by 5 is terminating decimal number. So we can write here 2 by 5 as a decimal form 0.4. Okay, na? So you know about the terminating decimal. The number after some decimal, the remainder will be 0. If remainder will be 0, then that fractional number or that number is called terminating decimal. Non-terminating decimal, if divide the number by divisor, after any steps, remainder will not be equal to 0. Remainder 0 नहीं हो सकता है. जैसे डिवाइड करो 1 divided by 3. What will be the answer? 1 divided by 3. Take point, take 0. 3 3 is 9. What will be? Remainder is 1. So we put 0, again 3. What will be 9? And so on. 1. So what we say here? Remainder will always be 1. So it is noted terminating decimal. Okay, na? But here 3 is question is repeated. 3 again here put 0. What will be 3 times? So what will we see here? Remainder is always 1. So question will be 0.3333 up to infinity. So here this number 1 by 3 can be written as 0.3333 and so on. So here this is after decimal digits are repeating. Okay, na? So this non-terminating decimal also called repeating decimal. Non-terminating but repeating. So non-terminating decimal can be into two forms, either repeating decimal or other will be non-repeating decimal. Non-repeating decimal, just suppose we find the square root of 2. What will be? 1.414 feet and so on. So here not same number repeated at the same place. So it is neither terminating nor repeating. So this number is called as non-terminating and non-repeating decimal number. So any number, what you observe, any number can be formed in decimal form, can be write in decimal form, either terminating decimal or non-terminating decimal. If non-terminating decimal, it is also two types, repeating decimal and another is non-terminating decimal. One thing is here, you know about the rational and irrational number. Terminating decimal number is a rational number. It is a rational number. And non-terminating decimal divided into two parts. One is called non-terminating but repeating decimal number. It is also a rational. And And this number, another name of this repeating decimal is called recurring number. So recurring number means what? Non-terminating but repeating number is called recurring number. And non-terminating but not repeating is called irrational number. Irrational number. So any number can be divided in two parts, rational and irrational. What will be rational? By decimal representation. Rational number is either terminating decimal number is rational number or non-terminating but repeating number is called rational number. Only one type of number, that is non-terminating, non-repeating decimal number is called irrational number. It is clear what is the rational number, what type of decimal representation of number is rational, and what type of decimal representation is irrational. Okay na? Okay. Now recurring number. Suppose 1 by 6. It means 1 divided by 6. Take point. We will get 0. 6 1 ja 6. What will be remainder? 4. Then here comes 0. 6. 6 ja 36. We get 4. Remainder again 0. 6 6 ja 34. 36. Remainder will be 4. Again 6. So what we will see here? Here 6 is repeated. So 1 by 6 can be written as 0.1666 up to infinity. So this can be written as 0.1 repeat, only 1 is not repeated. After 1, 6 is repeated. So write here 1. Since 6 is repeated, so 6, write 6 and write what is repeated? Only 6. So put bar above the 6. So 1.6 can be written 0.16. It means 6 is repeated. So put bar on the 6. So 1 point. So we read as 0.16 recurring. Okay na? Similarly, 2 divided by 7. What will be? See here. Divide 2 by 7. What will be? 0.0. Put here point. Get 0. 7. 2 ja. What will be? 14. Remainder will be 6. Okay na? Put 0. What times? 60 divided by 7. 8 times. 7 8 ja 56. Remainder will be 4. Now again put 0. Then 7. 5 ja 35. We get remainder 5. Put 0. 7 7 ja 49. Remainder 1 0. 7 1 ja 7. What will be 3? Put 0. 7 4 ja 28. 2 0. What will be? 7 2 ja 14. 6 0. Again here what we observe? Repeat the remainder. 6 8 ja 54 56. 4 0. Again 6. 5 ja. So what we see here? After 5 what will be? 7. After 7 what will be? 1. After 1 what will be? 4. And so on. So what we here see, observe? From 2 to 5. Again 2 8 5 7 1 4. 2 8 5 7 1 4. So from 2 to 4. Repeating in cycle. So we can write here 2 by 7 equals to 0.285714 285,714 and so on. So only from 2 to 4 repeating. So we can write here 2 by 7 equals to 0.285714 and repeating digits are from 2 to 4. So we put a bar from digit 2 to 4. So we write here 2 by 7 has 0.285714 bar above or reckoning above to 2 to 4. Now come to the question. Convert the following question into fractional number. It is given in recurring number. So convert into fractional number. So for first question, suppose this. For first, let x is equal to 0.234 bar from 2 to 4. So x can be written 0.234, 234, 234 and so on. Now what, either we multiply 10, 100, 20,000, so it comes after decimal same number. If you here after decimal, what will you digit? 234. If you multiply x with 10, what will you get? 2.34. But here what will be? Start after decimal 234. Suppose it multiply here 10x. What will you get here? 2.34. 34, 34. 342. 342. So we cannot multiply with 10 because after decimal same order of digits must be occupied. So if multiply 10, what will get? 2.342. So same order of digits are not here. So we cannot multiply 10. Similarly, if you multiply 100, we get 23.423. But here what will be? 234. So we cannot multiply with 100. But if you multiply 1000x, what will be your answer? 234.234 and so on. So write this number as 1 and this number as 2. Now minus. Second equation minus first. So 1000x is equal to 234.234 and so on. And x equals to 0.234234. Now subtract it. Minus. Here minus. What will be? 400000. What will be? 234 equals to 1000x minus x, 999x. So after subtraction, after decimal digit must be equal to 0. अगर 0 नहीं आता है, इसमें हम सही से हम मल्टीप्लाई करके नहीं माइनस कर रहे हैं. So after subtraction, after decimal digits become only 0, not the other digits. So 999x equal to 234.00. So what will be x? X equal to 234 divided by 999. So this is called fractional number. So we can convert 0.234 as a fractional number. What will equal to 234 divided by 9999. Similarly, come to the second type of question. X is equal to 0.178, recurring 7 and 8. So this can be written as x is equal to 0.1787878. Now what we multiply? 10 or 100 or 1000. If you multiply 10, 1 comes here. What will be? 10 मल्टीप्लाई करो क्या होगा? 7 8 7 8 7 8 रिपीट होना चाहिए, है ना? तो मल्टीप्लाई यार 10x. What will be? 1.78 78 78 78. No, not the same. 1 7 8 7 8 7 8 repeat. Here 1 is not repeating. So we multiply first 10, non-repeating comes to up before the decimal. Now, we multiply this number with 10, only 7 comes, 8. So, multiply this number with 1000, 7, 8 comes to. So, again, 1000x equals to, what will you get? 178.787878. So this is your 1, this is your 2, this is your 3. What to subtract? To get the same digit after the decimal, third, second from the third. So subtract second from the third. What will be? 1000x equal to 178.787878 and 10x is equal to 1.787878. 990x 177.000. So x is equal to 177 by 990. Answer. So by this way we can convert any recurring number into the fractional number. Is it clear? Now do the homework, do the exercise.